In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can put an image in a shape on Canva just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Canva homepage like this, and you should see this option over here, elements. Click on elements, okay, and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down. You have here frames, okay. Click on see all and choose which shape you want to use, okay. So you have a lot of different shapes here that you can use. I will use, for example, this one. Just click on this. The shape that you want to use should be over here like this, and put this shape here. I will increase the font size like this. Then you can click over here on upload, okay. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload the picture that you want to use from your laptop, okay. Then just click on open, and your picture will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Over here, click on your picture will be over here. Keep clicking on your picture and put your picture inside your shape, okay, like this. And here you go. That's how we can put an image inside a shape on Canva. Super easy, okay. You can also go and you can choose. You can click over here on see all. You can choose different shape that you like to use, okay. Let's use, for example, this one like this. I can put this one here, and I can increase the font size like this. Super easy, guys, okay. And you can click on upload, and you can upload the picture that you want to use. Click on your picture will be in the font of your page here. Keep clicking on your picture and put your picture inside your shape, and that's it. So that's how you can put a picture inside a shape in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and after you finish, you can click on share, and you can click on download, and these pictures will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.